is so hard and scary and petrified, but me nah quit for zero hit, I'm electrified. Him send me go one nightly fix me link narrow and hurry. Never go alone, me bring white shadow me parry. When me turn up them a tell me say them sorry. I got scam, no interview, no book for me. I just need a chance to prove myself. I just need one opportunity, you know? I know I can do it like I tell. No, self-reliant,
Bless, love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queen. Lion and Lioness, welcome to nvolv3d. Big up on yourself. All of my silent and active ones, big up on yourself, subscribers. You see me as there? If you're not subscribed, please consider doing so. Big up everybody, man. You know I love real show straight, right across the board. You see me? Yes, man. Yes, don't push it out where you can't reach it or where you can't afford it. See? Right across the board. Now I want to big up Nicole. Big up yourself, Nicole. It's a pleasure seeing you today. It's been a while, you know, and I should say, I must say, you look good. Darn good, you know what I mean? Hairstyle turn up and face fresh and young and as curve up and basic. And yeah, man, big up yourself, Nicole. Good for see you today. Give thanks for the support also. See? Yes, man. Good for know, say you watch the channel, the vlog, you see it? And give thanks for the advice as well. Yeah. So now my viewers and subscribers, no long talking, you know, I make this quick and spicy. You don't know. We're gonna talk about Ishawna, Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Skatta. So you answer? Yeah, so what about thing go on? But you know me late, just to come out for the work and I don't know, it's better late than never. Always looking forward to entertain you guys and keep you informed and updated what I go on. You see me? Yeah, man, so I don't know. Ishawna did what she did to Bounty Killer on stage. Me personally say that's a disrespect, violation. She rude, you see me? Yeah, she wrong for do that. I not support that. When I send my first vlog, so Bounty and Beanie Man there event now I do a performance and Bounty Killer finally decide to answer as what him say. You know what I mean? Sometimes I do the wrong thing but the right thing. See? So I'm gonna make on the ear and see what I go on. See? I don't want to see it already said, but I just gonna give my little 2 pence, 2 cents. And see me I say, so watch what I go on. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, say, hey, Bounty Killer say, sit down in a roof of face, girl, them it seems like you don't know about God. You see the freaky intentions you have, go and go beat Skatta in her face with a pad. No, a Skatta get this, you know. Bounty Killer that is Ishawna now, Bounty just address her. But a Skatta get this. A Skatta get this, you know, not Ishawna. A Skatta get this. Bounty say go beat Skatta in her face with a pad. Now, how Skatta supposed to feel? Him supposed to feel sad. Or deeply inside feeling mad. Will Skatta take retaliation? Will this escalate now because Skatta go say, if this me, you know, who the boy style me, you see me? No, I don't know if Skatta and Bounty are good because, you know, if them good, Bounty should have think and say, I don't use that line there because I don't going to violate Skatta, you see me? I remember Skatta name been calling an Ishawna so him get peace. Hence why foot hype left down some because foot must find out say people on the line foot say that you know just attack what was saying out there in the media. Zin so now Bounty said that mean something like that either go so or go so. Zin so now Skatta get this. Suppose Skatta say he might go this back Bounty or he might go tell Ishawna to say this or say that. Viewers and subscribers, see that the music industry a dog eat dog, it's very dangerous. You may sing the song back, Lion in the Jungle. Dangerous, man. Remember me tell them, man. My 17 years of trying and been around studio to studio, enough things me hear. I may never share, I just keep it to myself, but I just say, John no star. Everybody know everybody business. Everybody. I know to know that too. See? So, I say, Skatta get this, not Ishawna. I don't want to think about that. See? So anyway, Beanie Man also intervene and say, it's how Beanie Man say.
Everything I said, I say she fit there. You ready? Ishawna off his seat. She fit there. Ishawna off his seat. She off his seat. She off his catch flu. She fit there. She off his catch flu.
No, Beanie Man say Ishawna fi dead. She no fi catch flu, she no fi catch COVID. she no feel dead, she feel dead. You know, what is joke to use death to a next person, so maybe Ishawna not take that light, maybe other person not take that out the light. You see me I say? Me personally don't take it serious still, but you know music, but the words from your mouth, you know, them say the words from your mouth defy your body. A dead, she feel dead. Zane and the crowd them a shout and this, you know the truth them already, and you see me? So basically me I say, you know, stop the violence. Me not support violence against women. That's why me I say Bunty enough to follow up Ishawna. Even though she violate, Bunty enough to follow her up. And being enough to follow her up. You see me? Nobody enough to follow her up because at the end of the day, she a woman and she rude. What she did was wrong. Don't forget me, you know, what she did was wrong. Bunty, I mean general. I mean, if Bunty wrong, me give my opinion. Like me do to any others. So the same thing but me and Mr. Vegas did fall out. Because me did share my opinion and then take it the wrong way and boom bang bang. You see me? Big up Mr. Vegas see me. But anyway, yeah. Yeah man, I'm feel slow the lady because in this time and days right now and years and here, you know, women are getting more support right now, morally, especially the violence against women. You know, that's a big campaign right now going on, big thing, you know what I mean? Stop violence against women and women getting equal rights as men. Doing the same thing, same pay, same job, you know what I mean? Same everything. Women are doing the man them I don't know. So the man them, me in our first world country can't talk, I know I live and see it and educated wise, you know what I mean? Did course and them thing, the training, so me kind of my mindset different. You see me I say it's not like when me a youth at Jamaica, you see me? Yes, I being a man who does nobody intervene and love it. You see me I say? No, Ishawna said that and Ishawna never like that, so she retaliated. So even Ishawna said.
This was last night at Mecca and Killer say him perform song for me. Remember I said this girl just go do her song, you know, go do her performance and sit down on a piece of cardboard. Me never think we're gonna clash. But Killer, don't go in a Mecca and go sing a little 4-line. I dare you for going to the studio. Don't go in a Mecca. I dare you. I dare you. Yeah, I dare you. Go in the studio. Yeah. Would I love to have this under my belt. But I love to have that little something under my belt. I'm not ask. Tag Killer. Tell him some dare him. I dare you to clash Ishawna. Cause remember Ishawna head no good. Nobody come feel like it's a weak fence this. What you mean, woman? Don't do that. You know, usually clash girl, clash me. 5 years ago, them trouble me, you know, I'm avoid them and I'm feel for to address them now. I beg me, I address you. I beg me, sit down on the cardboard face. I beg. Can't do nothing about it. But in the studio, nobody throw no stone and go hide and come back Instagram and say you're growing and your growth. And your growth. You're not growth. Going to the studio, I dare you. I dare you. I dare you, Killer. Anywho, enough about that. I was watching the video and I say, Beanie man. I don't understand how one girl, Ishawna, look how my uko, I create so much havoc. Think about this now, people. Listen to this.
What's that shifting there? You ready? Ishawna off the seat. Ishawna off the seat. She off the seat. She off the catch flu. She off the catch flu. Ishawna off the seat.
Me not fi catch COVID, me for dead, and when me do I gotta sing me for. Go in the studio, I dare you guys. I dare you. Look at festivities I for go on. And my girl always ready for anything, you know. Don't go into Mecca. Don't go all across Jamaica and do no 4-line for girl. Don't do no 4-line for girl. Go into the studio. I dare you, Killer. Cause my mama elephant, I'm not forget nothing, you know. My brain not normal, you know. My head not good, and I'm very disrespectful, you know. I got tear on the down and drag on, you know. Double bubble pan them nastiness, you know. If the two of them want it, them will get it now. Big up merciless now. You alone, me see, you rest in peace, and you alone, me say, done the two of them, you know. But I love to have this under my belt.
Now my viewers and subscribers say, Ishawna sound outraged, she sound upbeat, she sound ready, optimistic, you know what I mean? Her adrenaline high. She said she want to clash them, she want to take them on. You see what I say? She ready for have that two head up on her belt. She sound very confident and sure for herself if the clash should go on. Me don't want the clash to go on. You know why I don't want it to go on? Because it might blow out a proportion. things said and things when I go so because Ishawna said she have elephant memory, she don't forgot nothing. She remember, you see me? So I don't know if she attack for the 5 years about the this or style or so she can perform her song or intimidate her or something. But then for that she come off for her, she have other things in the bag where she can talk and sing about. Because remember when they are clashing up. Enough things to talk, you see me? See Silk Boss and Joshi done. You see me say, but on a serious fact still, every artist, most of the artists them know them one another business and file. Studio coming like barber shop or hairdresser shop. You see me? Nobody know about the business and you left a man there for your name and chat, you see me? Or a woman or them things there, yeah? I say the music industry set a dog world, but basically me I say, you know, them not for follow up still, and if it's a song that Bounty have, me would advise him not to release it. Because this might blow to proportion, as you say Ishawna said she ready. She also said Merciless kill the two of them, so rest in peace Merciless, you know, the viewers and subscribers. I just say we're gonna leave it in. Let me know the things still. That's what I say in the comment section, but yeah man, them not for follow up Ishawna, man. Don't follow her because you know she don't violate and you know what I mean. Don't bother follow her up, man, because you don't know woman mouth saucy and nasty. She gonna say some things and hurt, you see me, because I don't know how some woman stay. You see me? So me I say them not for follow her up and them not for do no song for her, you see me? Let me know what you think my viewers and subscribers. I don't know a lion foot, you know, with another vlog. I'll be do it, I'm gonna boss now. I'll be like, boy, I wonder how Skatta feel right now. Yeah, bunted this in my style. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. Remember I said Joe also did a public apology though. A written apology. Joe did a written apology on behalf of Down Sound, so what go on, seems like trouble there, you know, but we have to wait and see what go on, see? But anyway, a peace and love we say and unity, see? In the community, a lion foot with another flag, big up on yourself, I'm out. Not another word out of me out.
Who feels it now? Who feels it now? Enough times we got me bed hungry. We couldn't go down and show me shot and close. In a shame for time. Who feels it now? Who feels it now? Growing up, my life wasn't easy.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.